When buying products to use, the two usual questions we have to ask are, does it work and is it safe? Well, today we will be talking about vegan skincare. We'll take a deep dive into what it means, what is it. I'm going to answer some common questions and we're going to find out if it's right for you. Hi, I'm Jolijn Mertens from Beauty by Code and I am here to help you navigate the best trends and clean beauty options if you want to have a beautiful, healthy, gorgeous and vibrant skin. So welcome to my channel. Going vegan has increasingly become popular in the last few years. People are opting to eat or use products and staying away from all forms of animal cruelty, which is a win-win situation for both, right? Animals and consumers. By going vegan, people switch from meat and animal-based products to a plant-based product or diet. I am not vegan, I am not even vegetarian, so this is just a disclaimer. So, vegan, when it comes to skincare, vegan means products that are free from ingredients that come from animals or from byproducts or of animals. The most common ingredients that are non-vegan that you will find in skincare products are, collagen, of course, gelatin, beeswax, lanolin, carmine, cholesterol, silk powder, sulfate, and animal-derived glycerin. So, choosing vegan means that the products that you will put in your face are free from all of those ingredients. And there are other ingredients too, but those are the main. Even though some of these ingredients are ethically sourced, like lanolin, most vegan brands will stray away from those ingredients to give you an authentic animal-free product.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything.
Now, you may ask, why should I switch to vegan? Well, vegan products tend to be cleaner products. They have less controversial ingredients. So if you are also into animal well-being, vegan options are the way to go for you, because you get to save the earth and a lot of animals too. But of course, it doesn't end with that. Here are a couple of benefits of using vegan certified skincare products. Number one is avoid allergies. With essentially fewer ingredients, it's easier to you to spot if there are something you are allergic to, right? Simply by looking at the label. Non-vegan skincare usually contains a ton of ingredients that are unfamiliar for the regular human being. So it's more difficult to know, right, when you go to the label to spot, things that you may be allergic or not, right? So vegan means that you have less chances of coming across an ingredient that you are allergic to because it's easier to read the label. Number two is also related, right? Vegan products are less risky for your health. Now, let me say this, I am not into the all, exclusively, all natural trend, like put in your face only things that you can eat. I believe, I am convinced that labs do an excellent job and they do a lot of testing. But I believe in clean beauty. That's what I'm all for. And by that, I mean that if there is a doubt about a certain ingredient, I rather don't use it in skincare products. That's it. Skincare products do not only affect your skin, they get absorbed and they go into your body. So by using clean beauty products, you are exposing both your skin and your body to more I would say, natural or healthy ingredients. Now, understanding what a vegan diet is, it's kind of easy. Vegan skincare, on the other hand, it can be a bit confusing. So, let's address some of the common questions. Is vegan the same thing as cruelty-free? No, they are different. Cruelty-free means that the product or its ingredients have not been tested on animals. Cruelty-free products can use ethically sourced ingredients but still contain animal byproducts. So, some products may be cruelty-free but are not vegan. Is vegan the same as organic? No, vegan is not the same as organic. Vegan just means it does not contain any animal or animal-derived product or byproduct. Organic, on the other hand, means that the product or the ingredients were grown without the use of pesticides and certain fertilizers and GMOs. Are vegan products safer than non-vegan products? Again, labs do a good job. I would say this. I would say that vegan products are generally safer than non-vegan products because they contain less ingredients, and then the chances of, causing irritation are fewer. Right? Vegan and clean beauty products tend to be also more transparent when it comes to labels and ingredients. So basically, you know what you're putting on your face. But let me tell you, I have to be honest with you. A cream or a serum that has been cooked up in your kitchen maybe not be good for your skin, right? Too much essential oils. I promise you, you are going to burn and you are going to have some serious allergic reactions, okay? Next question, are vegan products regulated? Vegan products and clean beauty in general have independent agencies that regulate skincare. For example, in Europe, we have Cosmos. Here in the US, there is EWG and Credo Beauty, and some brands have their specific standards, like Clean at Sephora or Clean, I don't recall the name, Clean at Whole Foods, but it's always optional, right? It's an option for beauty brands. Now, if you want to go vegan with your skincare, but you don't know where to start, well, my advice is to start by checking labels. Vegan products often have a seal stamp that shows that they are vegan. Common vegan seals are the Vegan Action and the Vegan Society. Second, you have to start doing your homework and you need to start getting familiar with beauty ingredients, right? I have a video about that coming soon. And that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for being here with me. I appreciate you. If you want to learn more about acids, go to my website, beautybycode.com. Take the quiz. You're gonna love it. And that's it. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.